Hello and welcome. My name is SHYAM Prakash Pal and I am a digital marketing freelancer. Today, I want to introduce myself and my services to you and show you how I can help your business grow through digital marketing. Firstly, let me start by saying that digital marketing is no longer an option for businesses. It's a necessity. With more and more people turning to online channels to make purchases and interact with brands, it's essential that your business has a strong online presence. This is where I come in. As a digital marketing freelancer, I specialize in creating and implementing customized digital marketing strategies that are tailored to the specific needs of your business. Whether you are looking to increase brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, or generate more leads and sales, I have the expertise and experience to help you achieve your goals. So, what exactly can I do for you? Well, here are just a few of the services I offer. Search engine optimization. By optimizing your website for search engines, I can help you rank higher in search results, drive more organic traffic to your website, and increase your online visibility. Pay-per-click advertising. By running targeted ads on search engines and social media platforms, I can help you reach your target audience and drive more traffic and leads to your website. Social media marketing. By creating and managing engaging social media campaigns, I can help you increase brand awareness, engage with your audience, and drive more traffic to your website. Google Tag Manager. I am offering a suite of Google Tag Manager services, including comprehensive audits, GTM container setup, tag and trigger configuration, ongoing maintenance, and best practice optimization. I will also provide Google Tag Manager solution strategy services to ensure you are getting the most out of your Google Tag Manager account. Google Analytics. Starting on 1st July 2023, the Universal Analytics properties will stop processing new data as Google released Google Analytics 4 and advise all users to upgrade to the most recent version. These are just a few of the services I offer, and I can work with you to create a customized digital marketing strategy that meets your specific needs and budget. So, why should you choose me as your digital marketing freelancer? Well, here are just a few reasons. Experience. With years of experience in the digital marketing industry, I have the expertise and knowledge to create effective and customized strategies that deliver results. Personalized service. As a freelancer, I offer a personalized and tailored service that is focused on your specific needs and goals. You'll have direct access to me throughout the project, and I will work closely with you to ensure that your digital marketing strategy is aligned with your business objectives. Competitive pricing. As a freelancer, I don't have the overheads of a traditional marketing agency, which means that I can offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Results-driven. My ultimate goal is to deliver results for your business. I will work tirelessly to ensure that your digital marketing strategy is delivering the results you need to grow your business and achieve your goals. So, if you are looking for a digital marketing freelancer who can help you grow your business through effective and customized digital marketing strategies, look no further. Get in touch with me today at 958-210-6227 and shyam@wmmsouls.com to schedule a consultation and see how I can help you take your business to the next level. Thank you for your time.